Introduction by the anchors. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I am your name, your host for today's morning assembly. As we gather in unity and spirit, we welcome the brand new day with open hearts. Let's step into the world of learning and discovery as we commence today's assembly. Thought of the day. To fuel our minds with inspiration, here is our thought of the day for morning assembly. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. May this thought guide us through our endeavors. Meditation. Before we start our assembly, let's pause for a moment. Close your eyes, calm your minds, and take a deep breath. And meditate for a minute. In this silence, find your purpose for the day. Prayer. Prayer gives us hope and strength. Let's unite our voices in singing our school prayer, inviting divine blessings for the day ahead. Science fun facts. Science is full of wonders. Did you know that summer on Uranus lasts 21 years? Quite astonishing, isn't it? Let's keep our curiosity alive and continue learning fascinating facts like these with Students' Day. Student Achievement Recognition. Success isn't just about winning, it's about effort. And when effort is continuously put in, it transforms into achievement. Today, we are thrilled to recognize students' name for their outstanding accomplishment in specific area. News update. Staying informed is the first step towards responsible citizenship. Now let's hear students' team presenting the latest happenings from the world. Today, we are privileged to have principals serve with us. Let's extend a warm welcome as they share their valuable insights and experience to inspire us. Pledge. Let's now come together to declare our commitment and responsibility. Please stand straight and repeat after me our school pledge. Quiz. It's time to initiate our brains with a fun quiz on current affairs. Get ready to answer questions on various topics. Remember, it's not about winning, but about learning something new. National Anthem. Let's stand together filled with respect and patriotism as we pay homage to our nation with the national anthem. Life may be tough, things will get rough. There will be bad days, it may all seem like a haze. But through it all, always stand tall. Giving up is not an option. Never turn your back and run. Through good times and bad, through happy times and sad. As long as you keep moving, you'll never stop growing. With these beautiful lines, I would like to end today's assembly. Thank you for being a patient listener. We will be back soon with new news, views, and clues. Till then, have a nice day.